good morning everybody. This is the beginning of a 24-hour challenge on the canoe. So I just kicked off from shore and now I begin my day-long adventure on the open seas. So this should be fun. Look at this, like seagrass down there. Check that out. Back in the day when I used to come around here, there would be loads of garfish around here, between like 1.5 to 2 feet, sometimes even larger. But these are like their hunting grounds right here. Lots of little fish in the algae down here. Some swans out there. Saw another family with some baby swans. Gotta steer clear of them. Don't want to go toe to toe with any swans on this trip. It's like Endor back here. Holy. Oh my god, dude, a deer right there. Holy shit. Oh, there it goes. Oh man. That was epic. I don't know if I've ever seen a deer that close on the canoe. Except for this one time where I was canoeing down a river with my brother and one jumped out at us. Freaked the shit out of us. We almost bailed out of the canoe. But, dude, that was epic. Well, I figured now's as good a spot as any to show you what I got in my bag. So, first off, okay, there's a bug in my bottle. That's cool. Anyways, first off, got my phone in a waterproof bag. I've got these blow-up mattresses, which I'm gonna sleep on later tonight. And additionally, I've got this big old towel to use as a blanket. Also got some other clothes in here. I've got a jacket with pants, an extra shirt. Got my camera bag full of a bunch of GoPro equipment. And lastly, you might be wondering what I'm gonna do for food. Well, this morning baked up some beer bread, cut it into slices. This is what I'm gonna be having throughout the course of the day. So, matter of fact, I'm probably just gonna have my first one. There we go. First slice of the trip. That's some good stuff. One problem is it's got a lot of crumbs. So, crumbs dropping into the boat. But whatever. This is all I brought to eat. Because I figured, life of a college student, eating a bunch of junk all day, I'm about as prepared as I can be to eat exclusively bread for an entire day. So, cheers. Well, hope you're happy, Mom. I'm sunscreening myself. There's actually a lot of trash out here. It's kind of a shame. Betsy. Here comes some little like bait fish or whatever. Look at them go. We got a tire. Like a legit car tire right here. Found a random crock split in half. So, add that to the junk pile. I'm back in the swampy parts and you can see all these bubbles popping up everywhere. It's when I disturb the sand, all these like sulfur bubbles come to the surface. It smells like somebody just ripped ass right here. Like someone just completely dropped their guts on this like canoe right here. But, oh man, yeah, that's crook. Ugh, got cobwebs in my face. There's a big heron right there. There it goes. Dude, look at that wingspan. Oh, check that out. Geese with babies. Oh my, even more geese with babies. Chances of getting attacked by the geese just went into double digits now. Also, look at that segment of the lake out there. That goes way far back. I'm at the deep part, so right over there is 32 feet of depth, which is the deepest portion of the lake. This is how you know you're getting close to the geese. Start seeing feathers shedding off in the water. There it goes. Oh man, feels good to stand up. Well, made it to Party Island. Not much to it. Let me anchor the boat real quick. Not even gonna drop in the anchor. I'm just gonna hang this right here. All right, good enough. All right, time to go explore. There's just a little bit of a swim area. There's a couple of stumps around here. Matter of fact, I was around when there were trees here. It's just that those trees were so weak that they just eventually collapsed in like a small, like, cyclone. Time to fill up the old cup with water, not pee. Yep, that is nice. Gotta stay hydrated, you know? Hydrate or dehydrate. Learned that from camp. Also, you know what time it is? Bread time, let's get it. Man, this looks good. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, I think the minnow's like the crumbs. Hold on, look at this. Gotta tell you, never had bread out in the middle of an island all to myself like this before. Cheers to this. All right, everybody. Just took a quick nap, sort of. Looks something like this. Kind of down to just post. Also, this little bastard crawled into my sleeve about an hour ago. Almost fell in. See you, Party Island. It's been fun. Now time to continue on the adventure. So here's the back side of the lake. Right over there, there's a huge, like, field of stumps. And over there, that's kind of another small area. As a matter of fact, there's another island back there, which we'll check out later. But I'm curious to get over to that part. I've never seen that before. It's a muskrat right there. Oh, there he goes. So this is the end of the line. I've never been out here by boat. Oh, here goes a horse and buggy. Watch this. Look at him go. We're gonna make it, guys. Oh. There's the entrance right there.
That's an epic sound.
I wonder if
there's like almost
short enough to get up. Hold up, you gotta see this.
Gosh.
This is crazy.
Okay, we're coming out.
Look at that, man. There's that bridge we made it just under. Almost no clearance.
Dude, that was wicked.
Wow, it is so glassy out here. The water is pristine. Little bird. Well, there's another bridge. On the head, sort of looks like. You know what? That almost kind of looks like a rail bridge, like for a train. Look. You know, I think it is an old rail thing, because see those right there? I'm pretty sure those are like old rails that they just stripped and planked into the... That's fun. I'm glad nothing's living up in the rafters that like drop down on me, like, you know, birds or bats or whatever. Okay. Whoa, there's a huge carp up ahead. I'm not gonna be able to grab the camera without scaring it. Oh my god, that thing's a barrel. Jeez. If there were two of these big trees close to each other, I'd come out here and lay a hammock. That was probably one of the... Check that out. Oops, running aground. This used to be like a cornfield that they all flooded, but this section looks like it was part of like an actual forest. So you've got some trees, stumps, but here we're coming up on the largest basically when they flooded the lake in. So check that out though. That's huge. Yeah, see, like a hammock here would be awesome. Also, you already know what time it is. It's beer red time. Let's go. All right. Well, for the time being, I'm gonna post up in this little alcove here. It's kind of nice and quiet, and it's... I'll finish this, and I'll see you in a little bit. Peace. Here's number 3. Okay, let's hit the road again. Well, it's now well and truly evening time, and I passed under that bridge about mid-morning, approximately. So it's been several hours since I've crossed under there. Now I just gotta head back toward where I started and then find a camp. I could really go for another slice of bread right about now. Well, don't mind saying it. Island on our stop. Well, totally smells like goose poop still. That's for sure. Basically covered all the main islands here. There's quite a few, but this one we call Goose Poop Island because there used to be loads of goose. All right, you know what time it is. Oh man. Yeah, it looks like I laid on my bread. Oh my gosh, that is so messed up. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Well, I'm gonna just post up. Here's what we're working with. And then, you know, just chill. I need to nurse my sunburns. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I don't burn. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. Look at that. Anyways, sunset. That is pretty awesome. There's the dam right there. That's how they regulate the height of the lake. And yeah, that was actually the spot where AJ and I dropped in for our canoe trip a while back. Well, that sun is going down really quickly now. But we'll probably still have another maybe hour, look at that, to hour and a half of light. Man, it's so pink. Because it stays bright out here for a long time. know what time it is. Oh my God. Dude, this is so crumbled. I forget what number beer bread this is,
Right.
number slice
Well,
it is, but I figure I'm probably gonna chill here for a good little while. That's what I'm talking about. Makes you want to take your hat and spin it around, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, don't know if you can see anything at all, but basically it's completely pitch black and there's loads of stars up there in the sky.
I'll blow up the little
But
blow up mattresses I
I'm
got.
settling down
They're
for
like the
bed.
real
I
thin
think
ones.
I'm about 14
And then
hours through this
just kinda
endeavor.
set up my
And
sleeping area.
yeah, I guess I'll see you
in just
tomorrow
a bit,
morning.
so
Peace.
guess I'll see you then. Alright, what's up everyone? Just woke up for like the 24th time. It's kind of cold. Yeah, just another hour or two on the water and then that's it. Yeah, so it was kind of mid sleep, but whatever. Using my beach towel as a blanket, and I've got these little like blow up mattresses right here. These. Yeah, it's funny, last night it was one of those nights where bedtime, I'm kind of cold. Yep. And I'm just waiting for sunrise to happen so it can start warming up. I must have laid on this thing like 1,000 times over the course of the past day. So
Pop up.
yeah, no, it's just all messed up, but whatever.
This is what I see in the morning.
I guess hope to see you in another video. Peace. Okay. I guess I'll make some closing remarks.